Marketers get consumers to want and spend more than they can afford. And we know that from the financial disaster, that people were buying homes with maybe nothing down. Marketers are skilled at creating brand differentiation where it shouldn't exist, like with commodities, a chicken is a chicken, cement is cement. So they spend a lot of time trying to tell you their cement is really better, their salt is really better, and so on. Marketers want to produce and sell more goods without considering the resource and environmental costs of producing the goods. The planet Earth is affected by the amount of production and the care with which it's done. Marketers had not paid sufficient attention to product safety. And we know that because Ralph Nader made his career, basically, the unsafety in cars, and then we got lead poisoning, we got asbestos problems, and so on. Marketers favor giving the public what it wants, whether it's good or not for them. Sure, I'll sell you cigarettes. I'll sell you anything that will make money. Therefore, marketing promotes a materialistic mindset that is, we get turned on to more of a materialistic world, a world of ever-changing products and services and keeping up with the Joneses and some of that.